Hey guys, this is our newest completion. We took this project from start to finish in 2.5 weeks. 2.5 weeks, and that included the demolition and removal of the old home, delivery of the new home, all site work, all inspections, interior finish, final clean out, certificate of occupancy issued, and the homeowner moving into their new house. That time frame is absolutely unheard of within the state of Florida. When it comes to running a project, we are meticulous with the details. Enjoy the video.